So this video is going to be about movement corridors and biodiversity hotspots. So a movement corridor is going to be a narrow strip or a series of small clumps of habitat that connects otherwise isolated patches of habitat. So some examples of movement corridors could be bridges or tunnels that are built across highways that reduce the number of animals that are killed while they're trying to cross the highways. So this would be an example of that. So we can see that over the top of the tunnel here they have grass and trees on the edges to connect the two habitats that are on either side of the highway. And so having movement corridors can also promote dispersal and reduce inbreeding. So by allowing those organisms to move, they're going to spread out over larger areas of land. And when they do that, that reduces the chance that they're going to interact with and reproduce with other closely related members of their species, and actually increase the chance that they will reproduce with a more distantly related member of their species, which would lead to a reduction in inbreeding. So now a biodiversity hotspot. So a biodiversity hotspot is going to be a relatively small area that has numerous endemic, and endemic means that they're found nowhere else in the world, they're unique to that region. But biodiversity hotspots have numerous endemic species, and many of those species are threatened or are endangered. So over here on this image, we can see some biodiversity hotspots around the globe. So they can have, or we can have both terrestrial hotspots and aquatic hotspots. So we have a lot in Southeast Asia, over in Australia, and Central and South America, and Africa. And so these are all going to be regions where we have a relatively small amount of land, but a high number of unique species that are threatened or endangered. And so biodiversity hotspots make up only 1.5% of the Earth's land area, but in those hotspots, we have more than a third of all of the species that we know about on Earth. So these hotspots are really important to maintaining Earth's total biodiversity. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts and information presented in this video will be true no matter what biology class you are taking. However, the concepts presented in this video are referencing material currently covered in Baylor University's coursework. Remember, if you are a currently enrolled Baylor student, we offer free tutoring services in our tutoring center, which is located on the first floor of the Sid Richardson building. You will find all the details you need about these services on our website, which is www.baylor.edu/tutoring. You can schedule a free 30-minute one-on-one tutoring session online, or just drop in during any of our business hours. For more information about our current services, please visit our website. Thank you.